Hello and welcome back to the Home Tip Show. Today we want to share with you a device that has been a game changer in our laundry room, the Instahanger folding rack system. Let me first describe the problem that we were facing before we stumbled upon this device. You see, we had just replaced our Rubbermaid wire shelving, which was installed above the washer and dryer, with new cabinetry. While the cabinets looked great and solved our storage needs, they left us with no place to hang our clothes as we took them out of the dryer. We were left with no choice but to either lay out our clothes flat or hang them from nearby cabinet pulls and doorknobs, which was far from ideal. That's when we started searching online for a solution, and we came across the Instahanger on Amazon. It looked like just what we needed, a wall mount rack that was designed to fold away when not in use, providing ample space to hang clothes as they were taken out of the dryer without occupying additional wall or floor space. When the package arrived, we were pleasantly surprised by how easy the installation was. All we had to do was attach the device to the wall using the included template and screws, and it was ready to use. It was as simple as hanging a picture. We could tell right away that it was a sturdy and well-made device, and it looked great in our newly remodeled laundry room. Pro tip here, if you are installing the Instahanger over drywall, as most will, we highly recommend that you install the screws into a wall stud. I would not use drywall anchors, even if that means the Instahanger will not be in that exact perfect location. Obviously, you don't want to install it behind a door swing as well. But the real test came when we started using it. We were surprised by how much weight it could hold. We've hung everything from heavy jeans to coats to delicate clothing on this thing, and it hasn't let us down. But the best part, we love that it folds down completely flat when not in use, so it doesn't take up any extra space in our laundry room. Overall, we've been extremely happy with our purchase of the Instahanger. It has solved a major problem for us, and it has done so in a simple and efficient way. If you're facing a similar problem in your home, we highly recommend giving this device a try. It's been 2 years since we installed ours, and it's still working perfectly. If you're interested in purchasing the Instahanger for your home, we would greatly appreciate it if you used our Amazon link in the video description to make your purchase. Not only will this help support our channel, but it will also ensure that you receive the same high-quality product that we did. As for the cost, at the time this video was created, it was less than $20. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching the Home Tip Show. If our videos have helped you do something, provided entertainment, or increased your do-it-yourself skills, you can show your appreciation by, first, hitting the subscribe button. Subscriptions are very important to us and make this channel possible, so please consider subscribing to the Home Tip Show. Second, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. This tells the YouTube algorithm that the video is liked, thus it will prioritize it higher in their search results. Third, you can also ring the bell button, which will remind you within YouTube when we publish new videos. Finally, if you have any comments, questions, or input on this video, or would like to make suggestions for future videos, leave a note in the comments section or email us at thehometipshow@gmail.com. We read and respond to all comments and emails.